In this video, we're going to be talking about the move and the copy tool. So first, let's start with the move tool. The move tool is very simple to use. You can select it from the large toolbar set or use M as a shortcut. The most frequently mistake that beginners make while using the move tool is that they select a corner and try to move the whole object, which is incorrect. In order to move an object in SketchUp, you will have to select the whole object, and after that, you'll need to specify the moving point of the object. Just keep in mind that don't hold on your mouse button while moving the object. Just release the button immediately after the first click. Now you can move your object in any direction you want. You can also use the arrow keys to move them in the red, blue, or green axis. To move the cylinder, you can also use the same method. So now, let's look at the copy tool. The copy tool can be used to make copies of objects or geometries. So, in order to make a copy, let's select the whole object again. Then second the move tool, and while moving the object, hit the Control key if you're on a PC or Command if you're on a Mac. In order to make the copy, click again on your mouse button, and there we have it.